Hello, in this video we're going to go over how to manually uninstall WordPress. So we're going to assume that you've already logged into cPanel. So we're going to click on the File Manager here. And we'll go to where our WordPress installation is. And the first thing that we need to locate is going to be the database. So we're going to look for the wp-config.php file. And we'll right click on that and click View. And we can see here that here's our cPanel username prefix, and here is the database. So the easiest way is we're basically just going to remove the database and remove the files. So we have wp-db005983 is the cPanel is the database being used. So if we come back here to cPanel, go to MySQL databases, we can see here that we have the database here. So we can just go ahead and click delete. And we have removed that database. And since this is the only database user, we can go ahead and remove that one as well. Delete user, go back. And now we've deleted both the database and the user. So if we go back to the cPanel File Manager, the files that we're going to remove are going to be the ones that I've highlighted here. So we have 3 directories: WP admin, WP content, and WP includes. And then the other files, a lot of them are WP dash the file name .php. You do have some other ones like index.php, license, the README file, FTP quota. We can leave these. We can leave the error log. And what we're going to do is right click after we've highlighted those and click delete. And we'll go ahead and skip the trash. And in this case, we can see that all of the files have been removed. You'll want to make sure that you make a backup. If you're removing this to restore another installation, you can go ahead and upload your files, and then you'll need to recreate your databases, which we also have another guide on installing WordPress using Softaculous. So we hope this video helped. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we thank you for watching.